This is the JTCAN Industries Ridge Tapper, which is made out of a high-impact plastic. And this is a great tool when you have a damaged edge on a door and you want to drive that back, but you don't want to damage the inside that's painted. So you can place this on here and then you can strike on top of here. So let's see, let's work, see this area right here is dented up. So let's work that down a little bit. You can turn it the other way just to less of an impact. And we're almost there. There we go. So again, an easy way to bring back the edge of a door or a hood panel or that has damage on the edge without chipping or damaging the paint on the inside. So again, this is the JTCAN Industries Ridge Tapper, a very useful and handy tool. The JTCAN Ridge Tapper has also been developed to knock down these ridges when you have body damage, and you may have some high spots that you want to tap down. So you can place the Ridge Tapper on top of those ridges and just strike the Ridge Tapper.